Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2023 Jeep Wagoneer Series III in River Rock. With LED headlamps, premium fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross-path detection, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 31,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, second row heated seats, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, Hurricane twin turbo engines, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7413.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.